Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today is another one of the 25 days of art, and today it's a part 2 of painting on mechanical pencils. So this is how far we've gotten in the first part. Not very far. You have to do a few layers because this is plastic and not like a nice wooden or surface or paper surface. I'm like saying them in my head and then not saying them on the camera. But yeah, it's not like a surface for painting, so it's not like sticking very well. Like paint doesn't really stick, but like staying on there nicely. This is just like very disgusting because this was just bright yellow before, but I was like, gross. Bright yellow? Disgusting color. Like, you can see it here a little bit. Like, no. I'm not having my mechanical pencil look like that. And then, like, Christmas colors are really easy to paint on this. So then I decided to make a series about painting on mechanical pencils. I can't wait until this ends. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. I'm trying to make it look way better. It's not looking better. I'm trying to make it look as best as I can because I have school tomorrow. Oh, I also need to fix my nails. I peeled my nail polish off. I just messed something. Why do I keep messing things up? But my nails, my paint is chipping off, so I'll also redo that while I'm letting this coat dry. So I mixed a glow in the dark with a little bit of pink, and that's what I'm using. It's like almost empty, but that's what I use for nail polish. I don't go crazy like some of you guys. Probably. It smells disgusting, but okay, there you go. So it's like pretty much clear. When it dries, it has a little bit of a pink tint. It also glows in the dark, but you have to charge your nails. Charging your nails sounds so funny. But I have a UV light in my background. Wait a second, wrong way. But you can see that shelf. I have plants on the other levels of it, and they have a UV light, so I just put my hand in the little garden area and it charges. Or you could just go outside, which is the easier way, but we had indoor recess today, so I couldn't do that. Okay, I'm trying to make this look as good as possible. How about we check on the paint? This is how it's looking. I should probably keep it like in something. Show you guys. I can't actually put it on the pencil because it's gonna get the pencil dirty. I want the pencil to stay black and not turn Christmas colors, but I'll leave it right there so you guys can watch it as it dries while I'm painting my nails. This is kind of a boring video, honestly. I know you guys are like, what pink did you use? There's like 10,000 pink nail polishes. Probably more than 10,000, honestly. But I use, yeah, let me show you. I think this is what I used. I did it a long time ago. And I know you guys are picking up stuff with wet nails. I know, horrible idea. I used this. I didn't put it in the glow-in-the-dark nail polish. This bottle's really chipped. So I don't like showing it on camera, but I'm trying to paint my nails. This is really hard. Ow. about I need to let these dry before I do my other hand. I think that's what you do when you're doing nail polish. Clueless. I mean, I did it last week on Friday, but I don't really remember what I did, honestly. So I'm guessing I'm gonna put my nail polish in my paint container. I'm probably gonna think it's paint. Because I don't read the labels on this stuff, which is really bad, but I could paint this with my nail polish. Actually, this might be a good idea. So this stupid Christmas thing, because it's taking like 10 hours to paint. Now let me take a look at some of my other nail polishes and see if I have any good colors. Whoa, I see a nice purple. It's like metallic, almost. Okay, I think I'm gonna change ideas. Okay, it's dry. I'm trying to, it's chunky. At least I don't have to be careful anymore, because when you're doing multicolor, you have to be careful. It's going on so nice. Oh, I noticed something. I'm gonna match my shirt. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, let me dry you. Homemade drying stick. I just rolled it in orange glitter. Oh boy, I got. Oh, come on, get in there. Wait a sec. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I fixed it a little. I'm gonna pour out some nail polish into a paint palette. Little paint palette. I actually tried cleaning it. Wow. I'm gonna try pouring some nail polish out. Oopsie. Flow. Just get out. I have a better idea. I can dip my paintbrush into the nail polish. Wow, I'm thinking well. I don't know if I'm okay. Did my homework make me smarter? I don't think long division is gonna make me better at painting stuff. That looks so pretty. Wow. This was a way better idea until my paintbrush dies because of the nail polish. I'm gonna need to do another slime video soon. Wait, slime and nail polish? It can be a fun video. A messy one. Oh my god, wow. I was gonna paint it purple, but with paint, not nail polish, but this is way cooler. Oh my god, this is already at 10 minutes and you've been watching me paint this stupid thing. I don't know where to put it. No. No. There we go. Good enough. You guys can watch it dry. And I'll do my other side. Even though I'm a righty and I'm painting my right nails, so I'm probably gonna fail. Pray that my nails survive. Actually, not bad. Just like a mild spill on every side. Looks like my normal. But they glow in the dark. I just cover my entire finger in nail polish and then just wipe it off after. So like. I'm so happy I'm getting these redone. Oh my god, why am I whispering? I need to actually speak. Are you dry? No. Oh, I just touched the brush. She fumbled it. Finished. I need to let them dry now. Let me put this back. Nail polish. There we go. Okay. Okay. A little bit better. I'm gonna hold it now. Nope, I can't hold this. I'm gonna wash my hands because they're sticky. Yeah. What should I do? I feel like I should do a design. Washi tape out. Avengers attack. I dropped it. Okay, there we go. I got my tape. I'm gonna start working on this. Oh, the lid just fell out. Yikes. Where's the other one? Is it on here? Go one's still in there. At least, oh, found it. Searching for lead to put back in the mechanical pencil. Because I need the lead for my actual pencil because I want this to be a working one. Not just for fun. I'm doing this because I actually want a fun pencil after I do this. Not an unfunctional one. I just smeared red paint all over my washi tape. That stinks. I don't care. I'm worried about myself. Okay, one. I have it all over my... Okay, it's somewhere else. Last piece of lead done. Okay, I need to clean this for some reason. Why do I have to clean this? I don't know. I could just not clean it. But that's being lazy. And I am lazy, but I don't want to do it this lazily. Okay, there we go. This is looking way better. I should do a part 3 for tomorrow. Okay, can I have a sign? Okay, there we go. Honestly, I'm not going to do this part. It's an extra step that I don't want to have to do. I'm trying to make this a quick video. I have to wrap this up in 13 minutes. Food delivery. Veggie straws. Okay guys, I'm gonna do part 2. I mean 3, because this is part 2. Hopefully you... Yeah, forget this. I'm just gonna throw this trash. Okay, bye guys. Hopefully you like this video. This is the last one. I'll show the end product in part 3. Okay, bye guys.